market analysis. Let us quickly go over last week's trades and go on to what we have for this week. For last week, I had the gold, the EURGBP, and the AD/NZD on the watch list. Gold was the only pair that actually sort of respected the analysis to some extent, but then we didn't benefit from the full move. So for the gold, the market started with a gap up. We came down as intended, but this was the lowest level price could ever get before reversing towards the end of the week. I was actually rooting for gold to fall up till this level, but then it never happened. And it is normal because this is the forex market. Anything is possible. For the AD/NZD, I was looking for a first counter trend move or a pullback into this zone to buy with the trend, but a pullback to this zone never came. The pullback came though, but then it just didn't reach this zone. Same can be said for the EURGBP as well. I was also looking for a pullback to this level, that is like to sell higher, but then it never came, and the market maintained a very tight trading range throughout the week. EURGBP makes it into this week. Additionally, for this week, we have the GBPUSD and the USDCAD. Let us start by analyzing the GBPUSD. For starters, I am bearish the GBPUSD because price has been rejected at a very critical resistance zone, that is between this price and this price, or between these levels. These levels also individually acted as support levels some time back in May and June. Currently, we can see that price has been rejected quite strongly by the levels, and Friday's candlestick says it all. When you pull down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market is doing a slight and weak trend up. So maybe when Friday's low is taken out, my bearish confirmation on this pair will come. But then also, if price manages to move and close above or within the resistance zone, I would let go of my bearish idea on the GBPUSD. For the USDCAD, we can actually see that most of August was choppy, and currently price has moved into that choppy zone of August, and it is finding some sort of rejections within the zone. Friday's candlestick also show that the bears are still holding the momentum. When we pull down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see a head and shoulders pattern, where this check mark being the left shoulder, this one being the the head of the pattern, and this check mark also being the right shoulder. And then we have our neckline over here. The neckline is actually not well specified. This one seems valid, and this one seems valid as well. But no matter what, if price manages to close below this neckline, the probability that will be going down will be high. So I'm bearish the USDCAD as well. And surprisingly for the EURGBP, I am a bull in a downtrend, and these are the reasons why. First of all, EURGBP is negatively correlated with the GBPUSD, and I am bearish the GBPUSD. Also, when you look at the market structure, we have a descending channel. and price is sitting right upon the support of the descending channel, even though it is below a major support level from the daily time frame. But then I'll be rooting for a break above the daily support level for the bulls to step in. For the previous week, this market didn't really move neither north nor south. The trading range was very tight, and I am very bullish in a downtrend, specifically because EURGBP traded in a tight range for the whole 5 trading days. When you go to the daily time frame, we find an inside bar by considering Thursday and Friday's candlestick. So a break above this support level would render my bullish idea, would actually confirm my bullish idea. So that is it for the coming week. I am a bear on GBPUSD, a bear on USDCAD, and a bull on EURGBP. I wish you a profitable trading week.